Hello guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic male short hair. So there are different kinds of short hair, but in this particular tutorial, we are going to use this hairstyle as a point of reference. Okay, so when you look at this type of hairstyle, it has a bit of curls, and also I can see subtle highlights and fade on the sides of the hair. So this is going to be our point of reference for this particular tutorial. So without wasting much of the time, let's jump straight into this tutorial. Alright, so I'm starting off with a medium charcoal pencil, and the idea here is to create a scribble effect or a curly hairstyle effect. So we don't want to press really hard, we just want to create a very subtle texture and hair strands. So basically that's the idea or what I'm trying to achieve at this first layer. So now that I have my very first layer with the medium charcoal down, I'm going to use the hard edge brush to blend in the layer together. So I'm also trying to add a graphite powder in order to close in the gaps, right? So the reason why I'm using the graphite powder is simply because the hair is no way too dark. If the hair was much darker, I would have used charcoal powder, but the hair is not that dark, so I'm using the graphite powder instead to close in or fill in the gaps that we have here. So the idea is to shade or blend in gently so that we have a natural feel and look. So this is going to be the simple process we are going to do most of the time. So I'm going to fast forward, then I'll check back in, then we'll continue from there. Okay, so from here it's going to be the same process that I talked about earlier in this video. So I'm going to create a scribble or a curly hair texture effect, and then I'll fill in with my graphite powder. So this is going to be the process throughout. So I'm going to finish the first layer very fast, and I'll check back, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so now that we have our first layer done, I just want to talk about or mention one quick tip that will give your short hair a natural look and feel. So now I'm going to add small hair strands on the edges of the hair. This might not seem much, but it's going to give your hair a better look and natural feel. So at this point, we've gotten to the fun part of this particular tutorial, and that is to create or add details in the hair strands. So we are going to do this with the help of the kneadable eraser, and we are going to create subtle highlights in the hair, and this is going to make the hair look much more realistic and natural. Alright guys, so this is the final step of this particular tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more art tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in the next one. Peace.